Well done. Finally.
So convenient. Here we go, girls. Yes, yes. What? Yes, pipe dream.
Dad?
Yeah? No.
With our precious cargo safely aboard, we were off. There was no room for mistakes. These waters are infested with awful, slimy eels.
Both boats made it easily as it turned out. The challenge wasn't designed as a race, it was designed to show off our handiwork to the ones we love and prove that we have what it takes to BYO boat.
Challenge number 2, a success.